Hi, today I want to show you how you can add L7 door lock from Kaadas company to Vera control unit. L7 door lock can be added to Z-Wave network by inserting its Z-Wave module to it. Before starting anything, let me define two words. Inclusion. In Z-Wave, it means adding Z-Wave device to Z-Wave network. Exclusion. It means removing Z-Wave device from Z-Wave network. To add any Z-Wave device to Z-Wave network, you must put your gateway into inclusion mode. And while your gateway is in inclusion mode, you must put the device you want to add into inclusion mode too. In Vera control unit, by going to devices, add device, you can have Vera in inclusion mode. In this page, we have categorized devices, but I myself prefer select generate Z-Wave device and skip the categories. In this page, Vera asks us whether the device needs assembly. So before clicking next, the device we want to add it to Vera must be assembled and powered up. If I click on next in this page, Vera goes to inclusion mode and it gets ready to add Z-Wave devices to it for 1 minute. During this time, we have to put the device we want to include to inclusion mode 2. L7 can be added to Z-Wave network by pressing a start button twice, entering master pin code, pressing hash button, pressing 4 and pressing 1. So let me repeat it. By pressing a start button on L7 door lock twice, then entering its master pin code, then pressing hash button, pressing 4 and pressing 1, L7 goes to inclusion mode. Let's add L7 to Vera unit. I click next. Vera is in inclusion mode for 1 minute and it's ready to add Z-Wave devices. Let's go to L7 door lock. Okay, by touching area, the touch button is right now. Start button is pressed twice, entering master pin code, then pressing hash button, pressing 4 and 1. Device is added to Vera control. In device name section, we name the door lock. At the bottom of the page, we can assign the door lock to any room. By clicking finish, Vera starts configuring door lock. And it may take up to 90 seconds. During this time, we mustn't do anything with Vera and door lock. Now, door lock is added to Vera, and here we can see it. By pressing on the arrow sign, the setting of door lock is opened Here we can add pin codes either by clicking on add pin code or clicking on pin codes. I myself prefer going to pin codes page. At this page, I click add pin code to enter new pin codes. We must name our pin code. Remember that the pin code you enter mustn't be simple. If you enter a simple pin code, door lock fails to register it. So your pin code must not be simple. By clicking save pin code, the pin code is saved and the log said that enrollment was succeeded. By going to pin codes page, you can see all the pin codes that you have entered. And in front of any pin code, by clicking on the trash bin, you can remove that pin code. In Z-Wave Smart Home, we can have restrictions on door lock, but by using L7 from Kaadas company, restrictions do not work in Vera control. I have tried and tested restriction in L7 door lock and it does not work. So using L7 in Vera control unit, we can add and remove pin codes and we can control the door lock to open it or lock it. Here we have the door lock. When door is closed, it is shown in Vera, and by clicking on it, we can unlock it. And when it's locked, Vera shows that it is locked by unlocking it from the door. Vera shows the real and true status of door lock. Here we can see the status of batteries inserted in door lock. Logs of L7 are not displayed in details. In Vera, we can see just the changes, the status changes in L7. And we cannot see which pin code was entered and so forth. We can just see the changes. Let me add another pin code to door lock by going to the setting of the door lock, selecting pin codes and selecting add pin code and set new pin code. Name it Sam. enrollment succeeded. By going to pin codes page and clicking on trash pin, we can remove pin codes. In front of pin code number 2, which its name is Sam, I click the trash bin. By pressing OK, I confirm to delete the pin code. Pin code deleted, it will soon be removed from the list. We should wait till it is removed from the list of pin code. At this page, you can rename the device and change the room. Don't forget to click on Save Changes. If you want to exclude L7 door lock from Vera control units, you must put your gateway into exclusion mode. And while your gateway is in exclusion mode, you must put the door lock into exclusion mode too. You can have L7 door lock in exclusion mode by pressing star button twice, entering a master pin code, pressing hash button, pressing 4, and then pressing 2. Let's exclude L7 from Vera control. By going to the setting of the door lock, at the bottom of the page, click on delete device. Here, if I click on unpair, Vera goes to exclusion mode. And if I click on delete, Vera deletes door lock from its network. But the settings of a Vera remains in door lock. And the door lock must be reset in order to be able to add it to another Z-Wave network. Okay, I click on unpair, next. Now Vera control is in exclusion mode and it's ready to remove Z-Wave device. Let's go to L7 door lock. So by pressing the star button twice, entering master pin code, pressing hash button, 4 and 2, door lock was removed from Vera control unit. Actually, it is no longer in Vera. I hope you have enjoyed this video. If you have any question, do not hesitate to ask me.